Hi, in this video we are going to discuss basic things about Pycharm IDE. So let's start it. Those viewers who don't know about the Pycharm, let me tell those viewers Pycharm is the integrated development environment for most commonly used general purpose programming language for Python. To download the Pycharm, you can simply search the Pycharm keyword on Google. Click on the first link. Click on download. Here we can see Python is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. You can download the Python according to your operating system. There are two versions available, Professional and Community. Professional version is paid and Community version is absolutely free. Once you install the Python in your system, to open the Python, search Python on the Windows search bar. Click on Open. It will take some time to open. This is how actually the IDE look like. These are the menu: file, edit, view, navigate, and so on. We will discuss a few important things in this video. To create new project, go to the file and click on the new project. After that, this type of window open on your screen. This is your Python project location. You can change your project name from here. I am changing the name of the project. The next things we need to do is select a virtual environment for the project. Virtual environment are always useful. It always recommend that you use them because they allow us to manage the setting and dependencies of a particular project regardless of other Python project that you have. The location virtual environment is usually set by default. The base interpreter, on the other hand, in one which you may need to adjust. These fields should certain the path which points toward the Python executable file, and it is going to be responsible for interpreting all the code that we write in our project. At the bottom of the screen, you have the option to create main.py file welcome script. We are just going to uncheck because we are going to create our own file. So now you can click on the create button and your project will be created. Here I am selecting this window. Now you can see on the left hand side of the screen we have our files. You can see here your Python project name. It contains all the project related files. If you want to create a new file, right click on project name, select new file, write here name of your file. Here I am creating a Python file, so I am giving the extension .py. We can also create text file. So to create text file, you will have to give extension .txt. Now you can see our Python files are created. Now we are going to write a simple Python program which is simply going to print the message welcome to CodersArts. To run the program, just right click on the Python file and select the run button. You can see the output of the Python program is here. To add the configuration is just press Ctrl plus Shift plus 10. After that, you can save configuration by clicking on drop down and select Save Configuration. If you want to duplicate any part of the code, just select it. And press the Ctrl plus D button. It will create a duplicate code. If you want to find and replace the individual word in your code, first press the Ctrl plus F button. One small window will be open and type here name of the word which you want to find. If you want to replace the word with another word, press Ctrl plus R. And again one small window will be open and type the word name you want to replace with the first word. Now click on replace all button. Now you have replaced all code words with world. In this video we have seen very basic things. We will discuss more in the next video. Thank you.